Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi, welcome to the video. Thanks again for all your support. Please feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. Today I'm just following on from a request to see if we could create some sort of planets on the compact hot plate. So I'm just going to use some A6 size painting card popped onto the compact hot plate. Got my iron turned up quite high, almost to full capacity. Any of the products that I mention, if they're not available in my Etsy store or my Amazon store, just contact me. I've got them. Right, what I'm going to use is some dark wax and some clear wax. Put some clear on first, all over my card. And I've just got a load of black wax. Slap that all over my card. Roller using dark colour. These are just, as I've explained in other videos, these are just standard gloss rollers for house decorating. Just lightly roller the whole thing. Then I'm going to apply some colours around the edge of my hot plate, make little pools of colour. Some yellow. I've got a green roller sponge. And just bounce it around. It will be a dirty yellow, I understand that totally. I'm going to put that one about there. Baby pink, 24. Use the same roller. We'll be alright and get away with that, I think. Those two colours bounce together. Quite an interesting planet. Pop that one over here. And bronze, 28. That's going to go a bit off the edge of the card. Not quite enough there. Then take your stippling sponge out of your sponge set. These are out of the Encaustic set of 4 sponges set. And I've just got a dark corner. And I'm going to make curve type shape. Just using it to move the wax and then give it a stipple over. So you've got the edge of a bigger planet just coming into the environment. And to make it look a bit more realistic, grab number 35, the metallic, pop some of that on the edge of your hot plate. Take a paintbrush, just get plenty of wax on there, let it warm up, and use the same one when it comes to doing the snow on your Christmas cards as well. So it's worth to have a silvery whitey brush in your kit box. Okay, so once you've got some wax on there, just give it a flick with a finger. Trying not to flick wax all over the room. Just trust me, you can. Very, very easily. That's probably about enough. We've managed that in one sitting. There we go, that's one completed piece. So we've just used some sponge rollers, a paintbrush, a bit of black wax, a bit of yellow, copper, and the orange sponge. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. please hit like and subscribe.